More, more. More daw, more. Yeah. Yeah. Over there? Over there. Nandiyan na?
Hindi pwedeng mag-maxing, ano?
Hindi pag family. Yung visiting na natin.
Blab 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 blab.
Hey, Chan, let's eat! David, nasan yung ano?
You eat with mommy. Go to mommy, eat.
Hey, Chan, let's eat together.
Eat daw with mommy together.
Ito may experience niya mag-
Ayaw, wala pa rin ako.
Daddy. Yes. Wow.
I got a rainbow.
Yes, very good.
Kaya ako nung yun yung sinasabi mga perosulfate at spirulina.
Sa ano? Kanya, panoodin niyo daw siyang magbihis.
Up, up. Very good, very good.
Pero sa tunay naman po yan.
Shesha, you're so bright.
But this one,
And now you're pretty.
ay!
Oh, you're now pretty.
Oh, that's hurt. It's an accident. Oh, you accidentally hurt Lola. Oh, no.
What will you say to Wawa? No, you have Wawa.
Hindi po nila nila.
Say, what will you say? What will you say to Wawa? Aside from sorry? What will you say? Another one.
Release me, please.
I love you.
Release me, please, Lola. Release me.
Put on your pants. Put on your pants.
Naku po, ubong-ubong aking beautiful baby Shesha eh.
Anong ginagawa ko? Pag ginagawa niya, iiwanan ko lang yung ano niya, damit niya.
Oh wow, look at this pen.
Very good.
Kanya.
Very good. The Noah's Ark. Yes, that is an Si Noah gumawa, Noah make an ark. Come, we're going na. Chingkan, ching. Oh, you don't like. Ay, kami, chingkan, ching. Ah, Noah's Ark. Si Noe gumawa ng arko. Si Noe gumawa ng arko. Si Noe gumawa ng arko. Inutusan siya ng Diyos. Sorry. Kasi sabi niya, turuan ko siya ng ano. Alam mo kung sabi sa akin? No, that's the Tagalog song of Noah's Ark. Noah's Ark.
That's a jingle bell song.
That is a jingle bell song.
Mami, alam niyo ba, magaling yan sa music.
Okay.
Sa mga kanta-kanta.
Beep, beep. Ay.
Kaya naman.
Beep.
No, the wheels on the bus go round and round.
Hindi ka na umaradiya sa music. Mana sa tita. Mana sa tata.
Kung ikay tungo sa langit, palakpak. If you're safe and you know it's safe.
Sa trabaho, makita mo sa Gita.
If you're safe,
Tsaka magaling sa trabaho ng mga ano yan.
if you're safe and you know,
Clap your hands.
clap your hands. If you're safe and you, and then, no. That's the, ayun.
No, if you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
Patay ka.
If
Ito
you're
pala.
happy,
Ikaw pala hindi nakakaintindi, nagtuturo pa.
Gara.
happy,
Sabi ko. Kung, hoy, if you're seven, you know, say amen. Ano sabi niya? If you're happy and you know it, love you.
Tinuturo ko nga yun sa kanya na if you're safe. Sabi, no, mommy, if you're happy.
Bebe, if you're going to heaven, you will say, I am saved. Okay?
Then because you are saved, then you are happy.
Bebe, the child who is saved will go to heaven. See?
Sabi niya yung safe.
Save. Ang save, hindi pupunta sa,
Saved from hell.
hindi pupunta. You will not go to hell, you will go to heaven.
That's the meaning of salvation. Saved.
Okay? If Sasha is saved, you will not go to hell, you will go to heaven. So, the song is, if you're saved, amen. Amen. Okay? If you're saved and you know it, say amen. Amen. If you're saved and you know it, then your life should always show it. If you're saved and you know it, say amen. Amen. If you're saved and you know it, clap your hand.
No, we don't know money.
If you're saved and you know it, clap your hands. If you're saved and you know it, then your life should always show it. If you're saved and you know it, clap your hands.
What is it, Sasha? What is it?
If you're happy,
Happy. After salvation, you should be happy.
If you're happy and you know it, happy. Happy.
Happy. Happy.
Okay, we're going to go na, baby. Mommy is calling you. Shh. Tayo ano. Marco,
Let's go.
inutusan siya ng Diyos. Bumuhos ang ulan at bumaha. Bumuhos ang ulan at bumaha. Bumuhos ang ulan at bumaha. Ang arko'y palutang-lutang.
What song is that?
Kaibigan
Yeah.
ni
No, what
Noe.
song is that?
That is Noah's Ark. Noah's Ark in the Bible. Ano yan? Ang arko'y palutang-lutang. Kaibigan ni Noe nagsabi, Noe, papasayin mo kami, pasakayin mo kami, nalulunod na kami. Ang sabi ni Noe, hindi pwede, ang arko ay sarado na. The ark is closed already. Do you know that? Do you know that story? The Lord told Noah.
No.
The Lord. Hi.
Sasha! 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 Hello, Sasha. Are you okay? Sasha? Are you okay, Sasha? Madubli kang... Ayan. Hello, Sasha.
次は港南台です。The next station is 港南台 JK3.
Ang ganda po na Grace. Ni Tintin.
まもなく港南台、港南台。お出口は右側です。The next station is 港南台 JK3. The doors on the right side will open.
Wow, a crab. A crab. Ayos mo ang buhok ni Shosha, oh, mata. Shosha. Shosha. Ano, kaya mo na tayo din eh. Shosha.
Kaya ka pinagugutom.
Hindi, siya nakakain si Kiwi. Magtatap ka ulit.
This is a fairy godmother. Tara po. Grace. Grace, tara po.
McDonald's, Wendy's, McDonald's. Hindi ka dyan. 3839.
Mahal na tayo sa unahan.
Another one, baka tayo hindi pa makabalik itapat mo naman.
Kaya parang hindi tayo nag-iisip.
Hindi, ibig sabihin.
Makalis na pala.
お切りください。
Kita. Parang hindi kita.
Gano'n ko naman.
Hi!
Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji. Yan, Mount Fuji. Nagdala yata ng 7-Eleven sa Philippines Ignition.
Ang bahay ni Ilias.
Alam mo yung 7-Eleven sa Philippines Gusto daw nito sa Disneyland. Saan gayon? Ah, malayo.
次は湘南パプリカ湘南笠間です。
Mami, abalis kayo doon. Sana.
湘南笠間です。
新乗車券ご利用のお客様は黄色のキャップ通常車券でご利用のお客様が回収または拝見をいたし
次は西鎌倉です。
Uy-kisan.
Every ilang years yung sumasama. Every ilang years sumasama.
Parang 100 years na po eh. June na nga po yan ngayon.
Suzuki.
Yeah, it's Fuji-san. Eh?
Saan nga 見えるよ。
This is Enoshima. That's Fuji-san.
Let's go.
Ah, dito tayo. Anong grade mo ganito?
Enoshima.
Ha?
Enoshima.
Ramen? Ayan o, ramen. Anong lugar ito? Sir Kawamura. Sir Kawamura.
Dadihanap tayo ng ano na, ng kainan.
What's that? Sweet? Oh, sweet. You also need to eat healthy food. Like granddaddy. Okay? Amen? Uh-huh.
Ah, video okay? Video okay? Ah,
Just a chair, the chair. Eat muna. Eat.
Dan. Kami, wala si Seshe. Yan. Ayaw.
Sasha, look at the picture. Sasha. Nawala si Sheikha, nagtampok. Ayun ako naman. Sino ba yan?
sabi niyo ako yung mag-video.
Ayaw nga. Ayaw nga sumigan
Ayaw
kami.
mag-video.
Yeah.
Wait, Nina.
Okay na.
Pamamasyal sa island Panginoon. This is a fish. Wow. Mamaya na, wala pa yung pagkain ni Grace. Ni Sasha.
Hindi siya. Hindi na siya sasabi. Hindi dito na nila.
Sarap.
Masarap nga, sabi ko sa'yo, mami, kumuha ka din eh. Yummy. Ma'am, kumuha ka din eh. Bigla ka ta. Okay, let's go.
Dapat lagyan ng ano, ng
Face mask?
Hindi. Sobrang dry na dry. Saan si Grace? Saan si Grace?
Makchi Cafe. Nabili ng kape ano? Makchi Cafe. Siya pwede mag-withdraw dito, Otoy. Hindi ko lang po. 7-Eleven, wala dito. Baka meron pa diyan madadaanan. Sasha! Sasha! Hello!
This is the way.
This is the
This is the way.
the way to?
The way.
That is the way to?
The playground.
Alam niya siya yung mga ano eh. Nakarating siya dito? Yung tanda niya eh.
Sasabihin ko kayo. Si Sasha. Alam ko na ano ang sabi niya.
What? What did you say?
That is everywhere. I didn't know where to go.
May sinasabi siya eh. Lagang face mask.
Hey, fine. Put this on. There it is.
Bebe. Bebe.
Wow! Put it.
Lagi kasi ang pagdating doon.
Ayaw niya hinihipo yung mukha niya, mami.
Hindi kasi nga dry na dry. Nagpuputok eh.
Kita di ulit itang Mount Woody.
Yep.
Kita dyan ang Mount Woody.
Bakit sila Sheila nagpunta dito? Wala akong nakikita ang picture nila. Hindi nga, kahit saan. Wala akong nakikita ang picture.
Ninaw! Ninaw!
Nasaan?
Ninaw!
Nasaan?
Mount Fuji.
Aris, hindi dito naabot nito. Dito, walang harang na.
Pwede mangawil dito, ano?
May bayad daw po. Tapos
Huwag ka magbayad.
kakainin niyo yung kinawin.
Patay. Kakain ng hilaw?
Ayos na yung magbayad eh.
Oo.
Ayaw kakainin niya. Ano?
Ninaw siya. Tigil kayo doon.
Ha?
Tigil lang ah. Di na ang profile picture ni ano, ni Katka. Ah. Parang dito palagi na pala. Picturean niyo. Dali, video niyo.
Enggak. Ya, adik ikaw na naman. Ang dami na natin picture dyan.
Picture niyo, Nina.
Ay, mag-picture naman tayo.
Yun, doon.
Hindi, dun sa ano.
Pahingi namang
Hindi, dini.
yung... Ano tawag dito?
Alam niyo kung saan yun. Kung saan.
Oh, dito.
Mami.
Aris, picture muna dito.
Magkaiba po ang Raven at Crow.
Ang Raven, yun na mas malaki dyan. Hindi pa po. Ano to, nag-aano dito ang tubig?